Hi, I'm Hassaankreative, an expert in AI agents. I've built several industrial-grade agents that help businesses automate their operations and scale more efficiently. What are AI agents? AI agents are intelligent systems that automate tasks, handle work that would otherwise require multiple employees, and do it all with incredible speed and accuracy. Many companies are already using AI agents to reduce manual effort and cut down costs. Now, let's take a look at a few practical examples to understand how you can use AI agents in your business. Here's an agent I built for a real estate business, but the same concept can be applied to your business too. In this example, users fill out a form, like the one shown in the video. The form has 3 categories: buyer, seller, and agent. Each category has its own table in Airtable, a tool similar to Google Sheets. When a user selects a category and submits their information, the data is automatically added to the correct table. Once the data is in place, the AI agent sends a confirmation email to the user and updates the table accordingly. All of this happens without any manual effort. We can also integrate AI agents into your website, like the chatbot you see in the video. It assists users by answering questions and guiding them through your website in real time. Where AI agents can help. There are many ways to use AI agents in your business. Automating repetitive tasks, scheduling meetings and summarizing emails, tracking orders in e-commerce, handling buyer and seller queries in real estate, and much more. This is the perfect time to bring AI agents into your workflow. And the best part? I'm offering a 2-day free trial. Just share the problem you're facing in your business, and I'll analyze it and provide you with a tailored solution. This does not include building the full agent. That comes afterward if you choose to proceed. If you're interested, just reply to this Gmail. I'd be happy to help you find the right AI solution for your business.